Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Healing with Heena. So today's video is for all those who have DM me, commented on the videos that they want to know about the UG counseling procedure. So as you all know that the UG counseling has started from 10th of November and today I am making this video for all those who will be appearing in the counseling. I'm dividing this video into two different parts. First part is general for all those who will be appearing in the counseling. I'll be discussing about the procedure, choice filling and the schedule of counseling. And second part will be exclusively for all those who will be who are waiting to take admission in NIH for doing the BHMS course. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, as you all know that the counseling has started from 10th of November for all those who have appeared in the NEET examination, NEET UG, and they are willing to take in, admission in BHMS. For all those, this information goes like this. So all you need to do is first you need to go on this website AACCC.gov.in. After going on this website, you have to click on, there will be two options as the PG counseling and UG counseling. So first UG counseling will be in the red, highlighted in the red color. So you have to click on the UG counseling. After clicking on the UG counseling, you have to agree whatever all is written, the terms and all. So go scroll and go on the last and click on I agree. Then you will be redirected to the next page. And then on the next page there will be an option of a new registration. So click on new registration and then you need to fill up all the details. Personal details you need to fill, basic like your roll number, your application number and your date of birth, your name, your mother's name and security ID, all those given. So you have to fill all this and after this the registration is completed. So you are now registered. You will a login ID and password will be generated for you. Now as this is the basic thing how you need to do the registration. Now what is the schedule for counseling? So counseling has started. The counseling, this UG counseling is divided into 4 different rounds. Then first round, second round, third or mop-up round and fourth is stray vacancy round. So the first round will start. The registration for first round has already started from 10th of November and and it will be till 14th of November 3 p.m. Okay, so the registration has already started from 10th of November. It will be till 14th of November 3 p.m. But the payment, you can do the payment till 6 p.m. on 14th of November, till 14th of November. Then choice filling will start from 11th of November, like today when I am recording the video. Choice filling has started. It will be till 14th of November, 11:55 p.m. Okay. Then choice locking will be on 14th of November. And you will get the result of the first counseling round on 17th of November. And if you get selected in the first round, first counseling round, you have to report in the college you got allotted from 18th of November to 24th of November. So this is the basic schedule of first counseling. Then first round of counseling. Then second round will start from 1st of December till 5th of December. The choice filling will start from 2nd of December to 5th December. The result will be announced on 8th of December. And reporting, if you get the college in second counseling, you have to report from 9th in the college from 9th of December to 17th of December. The third and mop-up round is from 23rd of December to 27th of December. Choice filling will be from 24th December to 27th of December. Result will be declared on 30th December. Reporting will be from 31st December to 6th of January 2023. So this is the basic 3 rounds, first, second and mop-up round. After this, if seats remain vacant, if there are any stray vacancies there, then the notice will be published of how many vacant seats are there on 10th of January 2023. After that, you can do the choice filling from 11th of January till 15th of January. The result will be announced on 18th of Jan, and you have to report from 18th to 24th of Jan 2023. So this is the basic schedule for your counseling. Now what you need to do, as I have told you earlier, first you need to go on the website and you have to select this UG counseling, and after that you have to agree that click on that I agree. Then after that click on new registration. On new registration you need to first fill up all your personal details. After you submit your personal detail, you need to do payment of deposit money. You have to do a payment of deposit money which will be refundable, which will you get after the stray vacancy round is over. You will get your money back, that is 10,000 rupees, and additional, but you have to do payment of rupees 10,500. 10,000 is your deposit money, which are refundable, which you will get after the counseling, and 500 rupees is for registration, which is non-refundable. You will not get that 500 rupees back. So you have to do first registration, then second you have to do the payment, and after you have done with your payment, then you have to do your choice filling. In choice filling, you have to give the preference to your colleges, like whichever college you are willing to take admission in, you have to select that college as your preference on number 1. Then that way, number 1, number 2, another college, then another college. That way you have to give your choices, and then after this choice filling is done, do it very carefully with very calm mind. And after this choice filling is done, you have to do the choice locking. You have to lock your choice, and in case you forgot to do so, it gets automatically locked. There will be only problem if the choice filling which you have done earlier and you were planning to change your preference, and in that case, if you don't lock your choice by yourself, it gets automatically locked, so on the last date. So that happens. So yeah, now after choice locking, everything is done. Then you just need to wait for the result, and result is out and you get the college of your preference. All you need to do is read the prospectus of that college, that particular college, and report in the college in the given duration of time. While reporting, there will be verification of your documents. So just go through the brochure, the prospectus of the college, where all the a list of the documents are given which you need to carry during the time of document verification. So that is all. It's very easy. It's not a very difficult procedure. All you need to have is a laptop or a PC and a good internet connection. And in case you're not good with your computer, you need to have someone to do all these things for you. But nowadays it's very easy. You can do all these things using your mobile also. But I guess so that was all for UG counseling. All you need to do is this much only. In case you still have any doubt, you can DM me on Instagram or comment down below your question. I will further try to answer your queries. So this was the first part. In the second part of this video, I will be talking about all about doing your BHMS from NIH, National Institute of Homeopathy. So stay tuned for part 2 also. Till then, take care. All the very best. Bye bye. See you.